At any moment from now, a global financial collapse will happen, potentially wiping out your money in the bank if you're not prepared. This is Backstory Lead, and in this episode, we'll guide you on how to avoid being on the losing side when this collapse occurs.
We all know, but still pay insufficient attention to the frightening scenario of a comprehensive cyber attack.
Experts predict that this anticipated financial collapse will most likely be caused by a cyber attack. Well, the purpose of this video is not to tell why it will happen and who is to blame when it happens. If you want to know that fact, you can click on this link on your screen right now. The purpose of this video is to guide you on how to prepare for such an event and what to do when it happens. Here are the 3 key strategies to protect your money, but first, it's crucial to understand what a financial collapse really means. In one scenario, it means that any money you have in the bank, stock market, bonds, and securities, essentially any money within the system, could vanish in the blink of an eye. Even the Deposit Insurance Corporation might not be able to help you in such a case. Before I proceed, it is important to let you know that this is not an advice from a financial expert, but one concluded by gathering and analyzing information all around us. So there are 3 steps to follow. First is what is called the pre-event risk mitigation strategy. In this strategy, there are 3 things to do. Number 1, pull a large chunk, like 90% of your liquid money from the bank, and store it as cash in your home. The only money left in your bank account should be what you need for daily errands, like paying your bills and for some emergency. Number 2, sell off and cash out most of your stock portfolios and pension. Liquidate any money in the system you have access to. Only keep what you're willing to risk. Number 3, sell off unnecessary assets in your possession. By unnecessary assets, I mean those that are not part of the big 5 sectors: food and wellness, money and finance, energy, transportation and logistics, and communications. Use the funds from these sales to invest in assets or directly into businesses within these big 5 sectors. One investment I strongly recommend is farming, because in times of emergency, food is the ultimate line of defense. Additionally, besides keeping your cash at home, ensure you have a safe for medicine. Stock up on essential medications based on your needs and geographical location, and make sure you have enough drinking water. Next, we have the in-event risk mitigation strategy, which addresses what to do when it happens. To prepare for this stage, you need to learn the procedure for recovering your money from the Deposit Insurance Corporation in your country, NDIC in the case of Nigeria, or FDIC in the US. These entities are designed to help depositors recover their money when banks fail, which will happen on a massive scale during the collapse. The rules in your country will determine how long you have to claim your money and how much you can recover. For example, in the US, the rule was altered in 2021, giving depositors or customers a mere 24 hours window for claiming deposit insurance after an event. This means that many people will lose their money and be left stranded because it is a very short window, and not everyone knows this. Finally, we have the 3rd action. This is actually a pre-event action though. What you are to do is to share the knowledge gained in this video by sharing this video with your friends, family, and people you want to help, to empower them to prepare as well. If they're prepared, you all can build a community of like-minded individuals who can band together and protect each other, especially from desperate individuals and criminal elements who will be attacking and stealing from others who have resources because they were prepared. I hope this information helps protect you and your money so that you don't become a victim when this time comes. If you found this video helpful, please support us with a subscription, a like, and a comment to help us continue doing more videos like this.